Bacalar, which is known as the Maldives of Mexico, is one of those Pueblo Magico towns, or magic towns, and rightfully so. It has a lot to offer. Alluring, colourful lagoons, pristine colours, and a wild array of things to do. So let's dive into why we love this magical place.
We were fortunate enough to come across Bacalitos sailboat tour. This 4-hour, 650 peso, or about 33 US, included fresh fruit and a few beers. Which made it even better, we were the only ones on the charter. The wind was in our sails as we passed Sonati Yazoo, which I previously visited by bicycle, as it can only be viewed via the road. By now you're wondering, what is a Sonati? It is a natural pit or sinkhole resulting from the collapse of a limestone bedrock that exposes groundwater. Stromatolites are the first photosynthetic life forms on Earth, estimated at 350 billion years old. That's old. They resemble giant boulders, but are in fact living beings.